What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I am finding so many new things in Dollar Tree this week. We have to start over here with the hair accessories. I'm finding so many new things like these furry head wraps by Scunci. They are so soft. They just keep adding more and more scrunchies. Of course, by Scunci. We have the furry ones. I really like this pink one a lot. It is so cute. We also have the black furry one, and we have the gray furry one. And then these aren't name brand, but they are so cute and matte. That peach is so pretty. And then we have some thick hair Scunci rubber bands. Those are brand new this week. We also have lots of new items by Sophie. Even more down here by Sophie. By Scunci, those are brand new. More by Scunci. So many new items from Scunci this week. Ooh, what are these? I think these are new too. Double knit by Remington. The pearls, even more by Sophie. I think these are brand new. Frozen 2 bows. Headbands.
Jasmine, the one at your convenience.
I love these big ones here. These are so cute. The sparkly ones. These ones are just Dollar Tree brand. I think these clips are new. They have the hair donuts always, if you're working on making that perfect big bun. And I think some of these hairbrushes are new too. We have Trolls, Llama, Mini, Princesses, Frozen, of course. I feel like this shape might be new. Shower combs. I'm really happy about this. It's so cute. I'm seeing lots of cute socks over here too. I think these are new. These. Maybe the butterflies. That is a really cute pack of socks. Especially if you love pink. I love these little 3-packs. I used to buy these for Birdy all the time. And she said her favorite kind of sock is a Dollar Tree sock because she really loves thin socks. These are so cute. We even have some for boys. Well, they're not being gender specific. They're just saying kids. All of these are just being called kid socks. So cute. Did I knock down something again? They even have pantyhose in here. Sure.
Thank you.
Yep. And these ones are so cute. I love these. Look at the kitties. JoJo. When I first saw those and I saw the bow, I was thinking Minnie, but no. Those are JoJo. So cute. These are the brand Essie. It says 2 pair. And you guys, the quality on these feels so nice. I really didn't realize these were 2 packs. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so cute. So cute. And I'm happy to say that they have an additional facial mist. Yay. This one is really nice too. I love that one. But I don't know if I have this one at home. And then all of the t-shirts, most of them here in my store, I really did a thorough check. Most of the t-shirts are youth sizes, so definitely pay attention to the size. These are new street vision wear. These are so heavy. I wonder if these are like skater socks. These look really comfy. The full cushion. Ultra light. These are 2 packs. These just look so cozy. Like, I want to put these on. They just feel really, really nice. I watch this channel on YouTube called Running Kimono, and she swears by these. She likes to use these down in her unfinished basement. I also have an unfinished basement, and she said these are really, really good if you're a couponer and you have a stockpile. These just suck up the moisture, and it fills with water here. She puts these near her paper products, like her paper towels and her toilet paper, and she said it just helps everything from getting destroyed. And they're just $1 here. They're called Moisture Eliminators. I really haven't been having a moisture problem with any of my stockpile items, but it's really nice to know that they're here. I am tempted to try them. So we do have some Lysol products back this week, just the itty bitty tiny toilet bowl cleaners. I always buy those elsewhere for a better deal. But oh my gosh, look you guys, no way. We have what? We have Clorox Wipes. How long has it been since you've seen these in your store? Now these are just the little wet wipes. It's good on finished wood, sealed granite, and stainless steel. You just get 15 in a pack. And then last time I was here, they had their brand of wipes, but it looks like those have all been sold out. They had quite a bit of them. We still have the disinfectant, antibacterial and disinfectant by Pine Glow. And then we also have the Spick and Span. This is the antibacterial cleaner. So we have options. You guys, I got extremely distracted. Do you see what I see? Do you see it? I was super distracted while I was showing you the cleaning supplies because I just saw these. This is the Jolly Rancher cereal. Gator has been wanting to try this for over a year. There's another little box of them down here. I'm about to get in this box and put a couple in my cart. It looks like these are new this week too. The Downy Unstoppables, but it just says it's 1 dose. It looks like we have a couple options for the scent boosters, and I've heard of some people putting these in a spray bottle and diluting them and then spraying them in their house and making the house smell really nice. Ooh, this is back. I haven't used this in a while because I haven't been able to find it. Yay, I found it. And then Ajax is here this week. Big 40-ounce bottles. That's always nice to see. I totally don't need this, but every time I see it, I'm like, I want it. I think it's supposed to be a dupe for Downy. You guys know the Downy bottle with the orchid on it. I can't think of the scent. fresh citrus. I really want to try this. Again, something I totally don't need, but would love to try. And I think these are new. These are Pine Fresh toilet bowl cleaners with bleach. No way, you guys, look. Even more. Special edition Lucky Charms. No way. That's it for this video. Definitely hit that notification bell and meet me back in the next video, because I'm going to show you guys even more new items and name brand finds here in Dollar Tree for the week. All right, you guys, I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.